16th of December. Making some progress. We have number 1 pier on the load bearing wall, number 2 pier, number 3 pier, and number 4 pier, the hardest one. Trying to get all the steel tied up, get it all straightened out. And you can see the steel in here. It's opened up. You can see how the wall's absolutely straight. See how it ties in with the steel in there. Okay, you can see how that's opened up for the concrete to flow. Stairwell, load bearing wall. And I've got the stirrups on there ready to tie. Pink Floyd jamming on the boat. This is the setup. Maybe this week concrete.